Good. Thank God it's Friday. So everybody get ready to have a wonderful weekend. I think it'll be a pretty one. I can't quite say it's going to be chilly. It's going to be chilly in the morning, warm in the afternoon. But hey, springtime's coming. That's all that matters. So you see the grass is greening up and everything. I had no birthdays on or anniversary on the calendar today. So don't mean there ain't some. But we do have on the calendar Alcovy Trestle Boston Butt Sale. Pick up April 5th. There at Walmart, the end, a little bit side to maybe come to work. I don't know, here she comes. Hurry up a little bit. Hurry on up. Come on. Come on. All right, we're already filming a little bit. So, $45. Order one. You know, you can freeze it. They freeze great. Bust them up and all. So, you also buy one, donate it to feed people that are hungry. They love barbecue, and I feed them a lot. I'm going to feed barbecue Monday. So, they always talk about, well, barbecue. Break some barbecue. So, then we got barbecue chicken sale, Allen Memorial Men's Club. You know, April 12th, pick up. You know, I got tickets. Rob Gourlay got tickets. Or just call the church, and they'll hook you up with some tickets and everything. So, then April 25th is relay. Gonna be a big night. We love to have all our Alcovy Trestle people out, you know, in honor of Sarah and all, and Billy. And a little bit's gonna throw up for us. So, and I'm gonna be serving a brisket. I imagine the Marks is gonna have barbecue, and we're usually side by side. So, and I serve a good brisket sandwich, so you get plenty to eat. And there are always plenty of stuff to do. And just come out and support it. Walk the track. That's what it used to be about. Get out and walk, to have donations, to have you walk how many laps you made. So, of course, Alcovy Praise Band's playing. Ryan's so excited, and it's going to be fun to watch and everything. So, I want everybody to have a wonderful Friday. Don't get in such a hurry to get home for the weekend. It'll be there. Time don't change. Well, the time does change Sunday morning. So, but anyway, everybody have a great day. And here's our bell ring. Hey, Miss Will.